for today, which is the NBA Finals. Napurma na gyud ang East ug ang West, di ba? Very surprising ang ato ang mga protagonists sa East, the New York Knicks versus the Indiana Pacers.
Pacers.
Ang sa West, kay si Minnesota Timberwolves versus the Oklahoma City Thunder. Are you as surprised as I am kaning Attorney Jingo Quijano, sir?
Very much, Jake. Kay ang ako magong prediction based on our last story gali was I predicted on the East, no, the Celtics to go all the way, and hasta po ang Cavaliers, no. But here we are. ang ilahang mga nakapildi nila mo ay nag-abot. Okay, so let's start with the Knicks, Jigba.
Gipildi nila ang kuan, defending champions, di ba?
Oh, yeah. I never expected them to go that far, especially with the trade with Cat, no? Very seldom na mo work out bitaw nga kay you trade for a major part in the team and then you go all the way. They got rid of Julius Randle and in exchange for Cat basically.
Karon sa kini siya gi-trade? Karon ba to nga season or last season ni siya?
This season lang na
mid-season ni siya pero naguna ni siya sa Luka nga trade sa naguna ni siya gamay.
Yes, una siya unya. It's very strange. It worked out best for them. Tagsa ra gid kay niya. I don't think if there's been any precedent kay on the western end pod the trade worked well pod for the Timberwolves.
Correct, yeah. Oh.
si Randall, is all doing well pod and then they're in the finals pod sa conference. So that's very rare, Jig.
Wa jud ko nahinumduman nga kaning naay nakakita ko in my lifetime nga naay championship aning upat ka team. Oklahoma City Thunder, I don't remember. Minnesota Timberwolves, I don't remember. New York, I never saw them winning a championship. Samot na ning Indiana Pacers, wa jud ko nakinumdum og nanis lay championship in my lifetime. Sakto ba ko or nakadaog na championship?
Yes, correct. Unsa may mo prediction amo tanaw ko niya? Unsa yung prediction ni Jig sa East, Jig?
Sa East, ang akong ganahan mo nanaog ani is the New York Knicks because I think the New York Knicks is very deserving because they're the biggest basketball market in the United States, even bigger than the Los Angeles Lakers. Unya tanan ako dugay na kaning New York Knicks naglanguish sa kaning NBA bottom ba paghuman kaning I think also Jalen Brunson I think is morag he's got the grit, he's got the talent and the perhaps even I don't know why kana batang manoy kay modua bitaw kaning Tony Jingo kana I don't know if he's only appeared in the NBA finals with Luka, right, katong Mavericks, diba?
Oh yeah, I even forgot about that.
Yeah, so nana siya finals experience, so I think it's about time. Kaning Indiana Pacers dark horse ni siya pero I really feel like ang New York Knicks, because they were able to defeat the defending champions, are capable of winning it all. Muna akong prediction sa East.
Ang ako Jig kay as of now murag wa kay because kay unfamiliar kay sila nato. I have to admit ba no kanang di ko prepared gali nga naataan ning position nga mag choose ta between the Knicks and the Pacers. Kay ako ang Pacers no are a very young team. They're very deep. Kanang let's say like the last time they won, they played murag 6 or 7 players in double figures. Kanya they can run they can give you different phases because ang ilang rotation runs like up to 10, like they can go as deep as like si Mathurin comes off the bench, no, and then si Obi Toppin nga taas kay na siya na is also appeal maganda siya sa Slam Dunk Championship. So lawman kay ko aning Pacers, but I agree with you. My heart is with the Knicks because known magod ni sila for their grit ba nya gabi sa gani ang New York fans, Jigs. Maloy ko nila o di sila maka-champion ron kay.
Mao gyud
dugay na kanila silang uhaw, Jig.
Ang katapusan sa nabantayan ako sa Indiana Pacers katong panahon ni Miller time, right? Reggie Miller, di ba? Asa gato sa
Miller
Kutob? Asa to sa
time.
Kutob? Naabot to sa finals or Eastern Finals ra?
Eastern Rock, because
Chicago
they
Bulls again.
unfortunately for them, there was Michael Jordan every single time.
Mo na yung similarity nilang duha sa Chicago, sa Indiana o sa New York nga. They all went through the same guy and they were not able to win a championship also with the Utah Jazz. Kani mga teams bitaw nga ngilngig kay sa pero di gyud ma-champion kay na makig
Yeah.
makibangga ni kaning Michael Jordan and Scottie Pippen.
Daghan kay to si Jordan og he left a trail of many broken hearts in the East League. Og kampo to siya kanang heartbreaker to siya. There's Dominic Wilkins in the sa Hawks.
Oh.
Was a top 75 player niya. Good town siya. And then there was si Reggie Miller.
Well, in fairness to Dominic Wilkins, he never had a Scottie Pippen, right? And of course, an argument can be made nga si Michael Jordan alone could not have won a championship, right? So it was really Scottie Pippen who elevated the Michael Jordan team, which is the Chicago Bulls at that time, to several championships, right?
Yeah, he had no reliable backup. Napapod to silang Miami Heat, the old Miami Heat, si Alonzo Mourning. Puto siya ka kuan. He could not get past the Bulls. Sila pong Tim Hardaway, di ba? Sila man to ni abot to siyang Jordan but so
mo gini nakanindot.
As long as na si Jordan.
Mo gini nakanindot aning NBA. So it's really a team sport. I mean, Michael Jordan can take you far but not far enough to win a championship. So nindot jud kay siya sa that's murag kag nagduwa ka kanang three-dimensional chess, magduwa ka kanang basketball sa. Grabe jud kayo ang teamwork ani niya ang kaning strategic kaning plays ba.
Yeah, it's good that you mentioned the word team, Jig, because I don't know if you agree with me. Ako na notice ba at least even for this year's playoffs ba, na-emphasize ang team game kay wa kayo na nahimong kuan ang of course factors mo gina ang superstars but if the way like OKC won, no, it was not only SGA, no?
Yeah.
Daghan kayo na-contribute and they really played beautiful, flawless team basketball. Basag yung bola, team defense, help defense, ang scoring very balanced. Even ang Pacers, mausad na sila. Like Haliburton, like natay 1 or 2 games siya ay nagpadaog but naputoy game nga wa siya mo click. And it's not even a legit superstar, Jig.
Correct. An argument can be made. Haliburton is still in the up and up. Hasn't arrived yet, right? Unlike SGA, murag MVP candidate mo si SGA, di ba? Niya mag-dominate yun siya in terms of number 1 mas siguro siya sa average score, di ba? Average points, di ba? Karon nga season, if I'm not mistaken. So sakto ka kaning Indiana Pacers, mas lisod ni basahon as far as developing a defensive kaning play for them kay wa man jud ka kibaw asa gikan ang ilahang puntos, di ba?
Correct. A lot of people underestimate them.
Correct.
You read katong si Haliburton girate as the most overrated NBA star.
Correct.
Of course, Paul.
Overrate that, di ba?
Ang katawa nato kay si napil ra ba atong idol si LeBron James dito.
Siya ni Kuan, underestimate ni Kuan, underrate ni Haliburton.
Napil si LeBron James sa list.
Nga underrated.
Overrated.
Overrated. Well, if you think about it, of course, he's LeBron James. So our rating of LeBron James will always be not just how he played or how he's playing now, but how he played before. Kaya part mo gina sa atong perception of a team, di ba? Sometimes we reward players for what they have accomplished in the past, not necessarily what they're doing now. So an argument can be made that yes, at 40 years old, he can be potentially be one of the overrated players in the NBA.
Yeah, and that's why nga sa iyang Twitter o sa iyang X apil pod siya, he chimed in by saying were all these players who overrated Haliburton. obviously he hated that list kinam siya dito.
Correct. Mo sus kani si Haliburton nakinumdum ko murag siyam tung player nga murag nabali ang iyang femur sa. Mo man siya, mo ni siya, di ba? Mo ba ni siya?
Sure, dig ha? Mo ba?
Kinsa ka nga play si Haliburton siguro to kinsa ka player ba nga kaning nabali kita gud ko grabe jud kay ka ngilngig nga injury nga nabali ang iyang femur.
Bali din siya.
I'm not sure.
Judging akong ipadayon ako, so ang Knicks pod ha, mao
Mm.
domingon ta nga mostly Jalen Brunson driven. But like they still play beautiful team basketball. Diba?
Yeah.
It's not like kuan nga nang they just give the ball to Jalen and Ison din ha.
Mm.
No? Like si OJ Anunoby contributes a lot. Si Kat chimes in. So I dare say baka mas nindot ni siya kay balance man gud kay ang attack. Even si SGA, he gets a lot of help from Holmgren, from Jalen Williams. Sa even pud sa Timberwolves, si atong paborito, si Anthony Edwards,
Mm.
no? He plays like Jordan, but he's more mature now.
Correct, yeah.
He shares the ball a lot. And then si Guber is kanang napod siya
Mo na kita true center gid ba? True center gid nga dili gid mo
dili gid sa una he was being belittled gyud kung siya gamit sa 10 feet off the floor wa di siya ka shot. Because of the system as you said, to your point, basketball is a team game magud na. So wapo kay ni kay na-emphasize gyud ang the nature of being a team. Kasi kaning mga naabot diri ba nga ay lang gipildi tanawa ang kuan ang although ang Timberwolves dipildi nila si Curry who was ang Warriors was one superstar centric, di ba? Without Curry, wala sila.
Wagtang man si playoff Jimmy.
Wala po kay superstar centric magod in a way ang ilahang kuan, ilahang the way they run their offense. Even ang kuan ang Lakers nga ipildi sa Timberwolves nga
katong Lakers I think lahi gid to ilahang depikto sa Lakers. Ang problema gid sa Lakers is we been talking about it since the day they traded for Luka nga wa gid sila sentro. Nya ang Anthony Edwards nga sentro porte mang dako. So na exploit gid ilang problema ba, di ba?
Nya ang Celtics pod nga si Tatum kayo nga kuan and then si Jalen Brown nga wala mailan gyud nimo nga superstars can only carry you so much, but if they don't click lupigon ka sa team offense nga well executed.
Correct. Diba? Mo na nga magduda jud ka kung usa ka team mo dominate sa ranking sa regular season kay kana man kung makibaw na gyud ang mga experience nga mga teams nga dili na about the record in the regular season because ang importante magana gud abot mo sa playoffs nga grabe na kayong dinuwaay is you're healthy. Muna siya nga kanang ang Cleveland Cavaliers tanawa sila they're a relatively young team in the sense nga pas la experience tagak sila kay mo lagi kaning na injured si Donovan Mitchell, di ba? So I think importante jud kayo nga mugduwa kag regular season, you have to long game it bitaw.
Yeah, correct. Also a factor yun ang health kay but as they say that's part of the game, di ba? Everybody has the same opportunity man, everybody has the same shot. So wala lang, that's fate. If one superstar goes down, then it's a next man up mentality. So it plays up gyapon nga it's better to have a brilliant team-based offense kay nagay opportunity for the others to shine.
So kaning mga teams natong hisgutan karon sa West. OKC
West na. Okay, let's go to the West.
Versus Minnesota Timberwolves, right? Oklahoma City Thunder. Kani silang duha murag pa ko no kinumdum na championship kaning Minnesota Timberwolves katapusan ako nakitaan nga medyo padong sila kadawag ni wa gyud katong Kevin Garnett, di ba? Katong panahon ni Kevin Garnett.
Yes, but Garnett won his championship when he went to the Celtics.
To the Celtics, but sa Timberwolves wala. Pero imong tan-aw ba ang akong kadlukan gyud kana si Ant-Man, ang iyang dinawaan injury prone gyud bitaw.
Oh yes.
Muna akong kadlukan once matagak ni si Anthony Edwards, maglisod na gini ang Minnesota Timberwolves. Kaning dinawaan magod ni SGA ba? Smooth magod, dili bitaw pugos bitaw attorney, di ba? Kalma ba? Mo nang ganahan ko murag tanan ako dili kayo ni ma-injured kana magong mga dinawaan nga kanang porting taas ag layat nga grabe kay sanan nga makuan nga mura og gabi kay mangambak, gabi kay mag exhibition kanang magbali-bali sa lawas nila, murag mo na injury prone gyud.
Agree ko nimo, mas leaning ko sa OKC primarily because balik ko sa team offense. Mas for me mas reliant ang Timberwolves on Ant-Man than the Thunder are on SGA.
Correct, yeah.
Kay as you said, no, si Ant-Man's very athletic. So sometimes he takes over games for them. No, and but si SGA is more of a kanang sure shot creator, magpa-foul bait siya, di ba, Jig?
So the way he takes the way he takes over a game is dili evident usahay murag smooth ra kay lagi, murag dili kay pugos gid ba?
Yes.
Unya kibawas na siya mutana og tao, kibawas na mamasa ba. Ang akong para nako the important matchup ba sa center matchup. Kini si Holmgren og si Gobert, di ba? Tanaw nimo na murag dako ra man kayo si Kuan, dako ra man kayo si Gobert compared no ni Holmgren. Tanaw nimo sa ilang center matchup.
I'm leaning ko towards Holmgren because he's more versatile. He can shoot the three, manggojig nga. He has a medium range. Mas bata po niya. Although, of course, tako good kay si Gobert. He's a veteran sad. But ang the knock on Gobert manggod is kung di ka mo ako gibantayan ni Gobert, I draw him out to the perimeter. So di na siya in a position to rebound. Kaya if you play one-on-one, you have to follow your man. Unya, Gobert has to follow. If I'm Holmgren, he has to follow me. Kay threat man ko from the outside. Iya ko taga-ag space that I will bury the three or the two. Atong balihon na to, if si Gobert brings Holmgren outside, ako Holmgren, di mo ko bantay nimo.
Correct.
Okay. Di man ka makasatis like
Okay,
tanaw lang tika diha, but I'll be more closer to the basket. So mas maka-rebound ko. So that there is the crucial difference between, for me, the battle of the big men.
Mona, I think that's also a very important kaning matchup. Pero sa guard ba kinsa may makamdipinsa ni SGA sa Minnesota?
Wow, that's a very tough question because a lot of them have tried all over the league. But this guy is unstoppable seemingly, no? Siya leading sa points niya. Kana imong gingon ba nga kalma mo gud kay siya mo, he gets his points, he doesn't force the issue really, di ba, Jake? He's very smooth, he has very good ball handling skills, he beats his man off the dribble almost effortlessly every time, and if he sees that there's no path to the basket, he passes or he goes for the foul bait, no?
Correct. Dili jud kay
points from the free throw line.
Dili robo tanawon ba dili bitaw kanang murag lisod kay tanawon, murag it looks easy, right?
Yeah, murag I liken him to a better younger version of Paul George good.
Correct.
Kasi Paul George sometimes had very kanang yung decision making ba was quite very questionable. No? But very smooth skills.
Kato ding na-injured sa iyang femur si Paul George dito direkto nabali ang iyang femur katong
I know now anong nagduda ka nga si Haliburton
because parehas sila itsura
from the Pacers.
Dili parehas sila murag feeling ako they have similarity in the way they play.
Yeah, but they were both on the Pacers pamasa to si
correct.
Yeah,
correct. So
Pacers player.
Ang imuhang big bold prediction kaning ato ni Jingo Quijano sir sa NBA Finals. Kinsa may who will emerge victorious in the East and who will emerge victorious in the West? Tanaw nimo.
Ako lang OKC from the West. And then Pacers from the East ko.
Pacers ka. Dili ka New York. Anong Pacers mo?
My heart is with the Knicks. When you ask me for a prediction, kanamang kung mo seggo gamay sa boxing when you make a prediction jig ba mingon na sila nga nganahan ka nga fighter ngano man kuno di ka mo predict because kung people ask mo good for a prediction nga they can rely on, so it's heart over head.
Correct.
Para buta na siya Mura ba tanag jig imong manghod tagsukbagay di sa eskwelahan ba?
Mm.
Yung mangutana ka nga kasi mo daog nga ang kuntas imong manghod ho kay mingi ka malupig na ako manghod. Kay you're making an assessment pero
Oo.
mingi ka asa ka mo laban at mo laban sa kong manghod. Okay? Ano nakasimple?
Mao gyud. Parihara na sa Lakers na good nga kung mupusta ko sa Lakers, field day ko pirmi. Pero kung mupusta ko og lain nga team, ang ako ang assessment mas accurate, mas makadaog ko. So di
Oh.
di lang jud ko mupusta
Oh.
og Lakers. Kay emotional betting man.
Di, wala siya heart over head na about most people but sometimes people ask you for intelligent analysis.
Oh.
So, na,
Pero
I
kinsa
have
may
to go
maka-match
with the
up ni
Pacers.
Bronson kuno sa Indiana tan-aw nimo Jing. Murag wa man siguro maka-match up ni Kat. Kinsa may lisod kay mga match ups nila ba?
Yeah, it's gonna be, I predict it to be a very long series, Jake. Ako
Okay.
lang good kay mas deep man good ang Pacers rotation and then I'm accounting for si Bakog na ma-injured man good ang like si Jalen. He's very small.
Correct. Oh.
No? He's very banged up, ha? Kabi ka na ilahang giagian.
Grabe man sige maduwa siya good.
Yes,
Mm.
kana to your point katong ingong ka nga kanang layat utupod di siya kanang kadalaya murag magtuyok sa ire niya.
Murag mag-wrestling.
Oy, lands on his butt.
Oh.
Ay maluoy kay ko niya jig mo kuyawan ko nga something will happen to him nga o di man sa ma-injured magka nang malimited na iyang duwa ba.
Yung mobility. Muna importante jud kay ang medical team, mga physical therapist, si Roel Dihanyo kung naman ka diha
Si Doc,
si Doc
idol, Doc
ato
Roel.
nang ato siyang interviewon puhon unya. Maybe
sige.
next week ato siyang interviewon kay
Okay, Jake.
we will have
Sige.
Roel Dihanyo here to talk about kaning basketball injuries ba. Kay usahay
Okay, Jake.
kaning maayo kay siya ng mga inana. Kaning
Sige,
ato,
John Paes also committed to join us.
John
next week.
Pahes. Yes, kaning
Or this week if possible.
let's do it this week. Hopefully
Sige.
before
Okay.
before Friday. So daghang salamat for your expertise,
Okay,
ladies and gentlemen. Journalist and lawyer Attorney Jingo Quijano ining programa natong gitawag og Double J. Naka-i-plug diha attorney, naka-event nga ganahan nimo i-plug imong article sa imong newspaper nga imong ipagawas kuno sa imong gawas unsa man. Go ahead.
Yeah, guys, akong article magawas on the Sunstar every Sunday. Akong column last week was about the fight of Charlie Suarez.
Mhm.
I'm also on Twitter. So, and thanks for joining us on our one of our few burgeoning episodes of our J&J podcast, guys. We hope to have more listeners soon.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Attorney Jingo Quijano. Daghang salamat Jingo. Thank you.
Bye, Jake.
Bye-bye. Take care. Very interesting conversation with Jingo Quijano. And earlier we also had, of course, Mr. Edward Onglatko, Mr.